Hi, I'm Clark. Let's talk about your new, unique Typhoon H Pro. Typhoon H Pro comes with Intel RealSense technology. It's a professional-grade system designed to allow it to fly along a set path and automatically avoid obstacles. This hexacopter has the Seago 3 Plus gimbaled camera, which captures ultra-stable 4K high-definition video and vivid 12-megapixel stills. This camera can be rotated through an unlimited range. That's 360 degrees of motion. The large ST16 all-in-one controller has an impressive built-in 7-inch touchscreen, which provides real-time 720p footage from the drone's camera. There is an amazing amount of tech built into this system, but before we dive into it, I want to share a couple of important safety rules from the FAA about flying a drone like this. Make sure you find an open space. Never fly near buildings or people. You must be at least 5 miles from any airport. I'd suggest leaving yourself about 10 miles. Make sure you stay away from all no-fly zones. Finally, make sure you keep the drone within eyesight or use a spotter to help keep eyes on the drone. Okay, let's open this thing. Typhoon comes inside a padded travel backpack, but before we take out the drone, let's look at what else is in the case. First is a small box with a USB cable and an SD card. The propellers come in this box. The drone has 6 motors, so you've got the 6 propellers needed to fly and 4 spares. There's an accessory box with a power cable for the battery charger, a car charger, an antenna, a microfiber cloth, and a lanyard. Next, we'll pull out the batteries and the battery charger. Here you'll find the ST16 controller and a sun hood for its screen. There's also a second controller called the Wizard. With this, one person can control the drone while another can run the camera with the ST16. Finally, let's pull out the drone. The arms of the Typhoon are folded down in transport mode, so unfold the arms and lock them into place. You'll hear a click. When you're ready to fold them back down, just press the button at the base of each arm to release the lock. So now we have Typhoon H Pro all unpacked.